Hey guys, so I'm just doing a quick video. I've seen a couple people ask about fog lights, and so I'm going to explain a bit and how I installed them. So right here, I just got these fog lights off of eBay. They're projector housings, and basically what would come on a LT model from GM. And basically I got them off of eBay for like 80 bucks. You can't really beat that. Looks OEM. Pretty simple to install. So what I did is, also sorry about the rain, it's currently raining out. So what I did is got a fuse tap off of Amazon and tapped into this fuse right here, fuse 45. Fuse 45 is, fuse 45. It's not used. And apparently it still has power, so that's why I tapped into it. You can basically tap into any fuse you want, but it's pretty simple. Then I ran the wire in under here in the relay. I ran the wire in back through the fender, through the door. So a switch on my dash that came with it. It works. I mean, nothing wrong with that. I mean, I've been running it for well over a year now, and it works fine. I also ran the passenger side wire through here, down there, and up in there. Now I don't know if you can see that. But basically this pops out. There's little clips on the back, and you just pop them out, and you can pop this one on, and the fog lamp pops in to an already hole inside the bumper, front bumper cover, and just clips in, and you can adjust it through this little hole up here with a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the aim up and aim down. And it's pretty simple. I mean, there's plenty of room. I put in LEDs. I put in C-Light H11 low profile LEDs because on the driver's side, since you don't have a RS model, or it came with fog lights, you'll have the full-size reservoir for the wiper fluid, and that causes a problem on the driver's side because the clearance between the fog lamp housing and the fog light housing and the wiper reservoir is very tight. And so what I did is I installed the LED first, and then I had to loosen up the windshield wiper reservoir. There's two bolts, both 10 millimeters, and you're able to push back the reservoir enough to be able to squeeze it in. And that's why I got some low profile LEDs, is because it clears it with like a few millimeters left. It's pretty simple. It's just a pain to remove them, and that's why I put LEDs in, so I don't ever need to remove them. And I mean, that's basically it. You just wire it up. I mean, I had to extend the harness that came with the kit. I think I extended it about 5 feet or so I could easily tuck it in and hide it real nice. Gave me some extra. The fuse top, you can get them on eBay. They're for the mini blade fuses, and they just work well. I suggest using a 15 amp fuse with them. Don't go any higher or lower because you might cause issues electrically, if that makes sense. But if I turn on the lights, The LED lights I got are 6000K color, so they match the DRLs and the headlights. And the headlights I got are also sea light. It comes in a kit with both the 9005 bulbs and the H11s, both sides included. I think I paid about like $50 on an Amazon Prime Day sale. And so I took it, and they work well. The light projection is very decent. No real issues. And it's LEDs, so they'll last forever. Never had an issue with them. And since they're 9005s and the projector housings, you don't need to worry about them being high or low beams, because inside there's a little solenoid that moves a lens up and down to adjust the high or low beam of your headlights. Hope that made sense. Any questions, comment below. I can explain it, like answer your questions or whatever. And that's basically it. Pretty simple. I think it took me maybe an hour to do it because I had to remove the clips on the back, and there's a number of clips. And also you might need to trim this plastic trim piece on the back side where the clips are, because some of them are slightly different and they don't line up properly, so I did have to trim mine, but yours might not be the same. So it really depends, but pretty simple. And for me, the visibility at night really dramatically increased because of them. And I highly recommend installing fog lights if you don't already have them. Thanks for watching.